A trip on the TTC just got a little easier. If you tell a new online tool your starting address and your destination, it'll calculate 3 possible routes for you and graph it all on a Google map. Just one catch. You won't find this service on the TTC's website. Mike Wise has more at our iDesk.
No, Aaron, where you will find this is on a site called myTTC.ca. It's run not by the Toronto Transit Commission, but by 2 Toronto programmers, Kieran Huggins and Kevin Brannigan. They were frustrated with the TTC's lack of a trip planner. So 2 years ago, they decided to create their own. It's taken a lot of work, countless hours, crunching the data from the TTC schedules and maps, but now they have a trip planner. It understands basic Toronto landmarks and addresses, and as you said, gives you 3 transit options for getting from point A to B, rather if you want to walk or take a bus or whatever. Plots them all on this Google map so you can plan your trip. Now, the City of Toronto is trying to encourage this kind of initiative. A few months ago, it released a pile of electronic data about the city's services, including the TTC schedule, in order to encourage this innovation. The problem, say the guys behind this website, is that the TTC's data wasn't very useful, so they had to start from scratch and build their own database of every station, stop, and schedule by themselves.
We have to collect more data this weekend because we want to be able to plan both wheelchair and reduced mobility accessible routes. So that just means we have to go around from station to station and see where the elevators are.
A lot of work. So why are they doing this? Well, the hope is now that they've built this into a workable system, they'll be able to shop it around to other transit systems for use as an alternative for some of the trip planners already out there. Speaking of that, the TTC is working on its own trip planner. It just hasn't launched yet. So myTTC.ca in the meantime. Aaron?
They should just buy this one.
Well, it's an idea. We put it out there.
Okay? All right. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.